Hello, dear brother and sister. Today I'm very happy also to meet you in your channel. And the secret which I wanted to explain you today. If you are pleased and you want people to love you and listen to you, you can do the secret. I'm going to explain you. What you see in your text, you should to write this. You should to write this. Allahukun bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallama tasliman. And you see the sequel. You see the sequel. You should to write the sequel for 666 666 times, and you are going to make this in container white, and you should to take bath with this for 7 days. Okay, if you want to be famous and success in politics, inshallah. So you can also write what you see in your text. Firstly, you should to write Fatiha, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. And the second, you should do also to write the salat اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد فاتح لما أغلق الخاتم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقدار عظيم. Also you should to write this, and the surat Sharhi, you should also to write the surat Sharhi. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع عسر يسرا إن مع عسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. Et ça également, vous devrez, when you arrive in ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع عسر يسرا إن مع عسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب. You should to repeat this. فإذا فرغت فانصب إلى ربك فارغب for 1297. For 1297. And you are going to close this. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam tasliman. And also you can make this in a recipient water, and you take bath with this for 7 days. Okay. And you should also to write this, what you see in your text, وَأَذِنِ فِي النَّاسِ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا, in the end for 70 times, and you also take bath with this. Inshallah, you will have what you do, and you will have what you want, and inshallah Rabbi, you will be famous, inshallah, in politics. The person will understand you, the person will also listen to you, inshallah. So I'm going to leave you. I will meet you tomorrow, inshallah. And you can also to make the zikr wa azina fi nas for 70 times. Donc I will meet you tomorrow. Take care and good continuation.